G'day and welcome back to Fun with Canva. Today's tutorial is going to look at stacked browser design. So let's get stuck into it. Come over to Elements, and what we're looking at, or what we're looking for, is the trapezoid down. Once you find that, click on that and bring that into your design. Before we move on, we'll just change the color of the background. For now, we'll leave it as grey. Now, once you've got your trapezoid in place, just expand it out and bring it up and bring it into the center. And then what you want to do is adjust that down like so. Okay, then you want to come over here to rounding, and we'll round it up to about 30. Alright, once you've got that in place, come over to elements again, and you want to look for a square. So I'm just going to use this. You want to take the corner rounding down, change the color, alright, to like a grey. You want to change this to white. I should have done that before, my apologies. Alright, so grab on your square and bring it up into the center. Then you want to click on shape and you want to look for the pill. Okay, when you've got the pill, you want to bring this down to a height of about 40 thereabouts, like so, and then you want to drag this out like so. And what you want to do is zoom in like such and just muck around with the corner rounding. So the corner rounding on this one, you want to bring it to 30. Sorry, that one you want to bring to 30 or thereabouts. Okay, so just play around with that. Right, so about 34 for this one, and just drag that out. Okay, and there you go. Alright, so we'll change the background to a different color, say blue, and there you go. Alright, so now that you've got that in place, drag this out like such. Now that you've got that in place, what we want to do is the three dots for a browser window. So we'll come over here to elements again, and we'll click on the circle, and with that you just want to decrease the size like so, maybe 15, bring it up here, and you want to change that color to a red color, and then you want to duplicate that and change that to a yellow color, duplicate it again and change it to a green color. Alright, so now that you've got that in place, we want to add the text. So you can come over here and press T for text or add text, and we'll change it to a Helvetica color, font, sorry. And we'll type in here, what are we going to type? Joys Days at the Beach. Okay, and we'll drop that font down to 20. Alright, come along here, and we'll place that up in the search bar, bring it to the center. We will change the font color to black, like so. Alright, then once we're happy with that, we just grab all of them, reduce the screen, and go duplicate, and then go duplicate again and duplicate again. Alright, then what we want to do is we want to bring our image into the design. So for this one, let's go female, side view, portrait, happy, and hopping. Let's see what we come up with. So we'll go to photos and okay, let's see. Any particular ones there? Maybe we'll choose this one, I reckon. So that one there is female hip hop dancer dancing. That's what we'll do. So what we need to do there is remove the background, and once we've removed the background, we can just close these in, and what we can do is bring it over there and enlarge it a bit. Okay, for the purposes of this one, I'm just going to have it hanging out the side, so should keep it within the confines, but something different. It's my touch. So keep the head above here and put the feet down within the bottom one. Then what we want to do is crop. So we crop all the way up here, okay, like that. Then we duplicate, put over the top, and bring down to the top of that one and the underside of that one. Then duplicate again and place over top like that, and line that up, yep, and bring that down like so, like so. Just adjust this one slightly there. Alright, and then do the same for the last one. Duplicate and pull that down, and then pull that one down. Alright, and there you have it. You have the stacked browser design. One thing that we need to do to finalize this is go back to elements, and you want to grab a shadow, any shadow. I just use this shadow, drop shadow. So once you've got your shadow, bring that in, place it there, reduce the shadow size like such, bring it down. Then what you want to do, go to layers and show layers. You want to bring this down just above the head like so, or actually you want to bring this down there like so. Then duplicate that one and do the same thing, bring it down there. Alright, and you want to bring that down to there, do the same thing, okay, and bring that down to there, and then do the same thing and bring that down to there, and you can just bring this one down there and decrease the shadow size. Alright, and there you have it. There is the stacked browser design. And you can play around with the background, move this over this side, for example, put some text in here, um, put it over that side, put some text there. So you can do all different things, but this is basically the design. Oh, and just before I forget, enjoys days at the beach, uh, enjoys dancing, change these text, enjoys movies, and enjoys romantic dinners. Alright, so there you have it. The stacked browser design in Canva. Until next time, enjoy, have fun with Canva, and please remember to jump on to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, press the notification button, and share. And until then,